Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into my top 5 quick and affordable kitchen upgrades. These tips are all about maximizing impact without breaking the bank. So grab your paintbrushes and your tool belts because we're about to unlock a whole lot of potential in your kitchen. First up, let's talk about paint. A fresh coat of paint on your cabinets can work wonders. You can go bold with a rich navy or a deep green, keep it classic with white, or even try a fun pop of colour. Think about the overall style you're going for. Do you want your kitchen to feel bright and airy? Opt for lighter shades like white cream or even a soft grey. Want something a little moodier and more dramatic? Navy blue, dark green, or even black can add a touch of sophistication. And don't be afraid to get creative with your paint techniques. You can distress the cabinets for a farmhouse feel, use a two-tone approach with contrasting colours, or even add a fun stencil for a touch of personality. Before you start painting, make sure you prep your cabinets properly. Clean them thoroughly, remove the hardware, and use painter's tape to protect any areas you don't want to get paint on. Now that your cabinets are looking fresh and fabulous, let's talk about hardware. This is one of my favourite ways to add character and charm to a kitchen without spending a lot of money. Swapping out old knobs and pulls for something new can make a world of difference. And the best part is, there are so many styles and finishes to choose from. You can find beautiful hardware at your local hardware store, online retailers, or even antique shops if you're going for a vintage vibe. Consider the style of your kitchen and the overall aesthetic you're going for. If you have a modern farmhouse kitchen, try sleek black matte pulls or classic cup pulls in a brushed nickel finish. For a more traditional look, go for ornate knobs in brass or pewter. When installing your new hardware, make sure you measure carefully and use the right tools. Let's move on to another one of my favorite kitchen upgrades, the backsplash. Now, a backsplash isn't just about looks. It's also practical. It protects your walls from splashes and spills, making it a must-have in any kitchen. You can go classic with subway tile, which never goes out of style. Or try something a little more unexpected, like colourful mosaic tiles, patterned cement tiles, or even reclaimed wood. If you're on a tight budget, peel and stick tile is a great option. When choosing your backsplash, don't be afraid to have some fun with it. This is your chance to get creative and express your personal style. Now, let's talk about lighting. Good lighting can make or break a space, and the kitchen is no exception. If you're working with outdated or insufficient lighting, it can make your kitchen feel dark, dingy, and uninviting. Start by assessing your current lighting situation. One of my favorite ways to add ambience to a kitchen is with pendant lights over the island or sink. They add a touch of style and provide focused task lighting for prepping meals. If you have under-cabinet lighting, make sure the bulbs are bright enough to illuminate your countertops properly. When choosing light fixtures for your kitchen, consider the style of your space and the overall mood you want to create. And don't forget about dimmer switches. These are a great way to adjust the mood of your kitchen. For our final quick and affordable kitchen upgrade, let's talk about open shelving. It's a great way to add a touch of modern farmhouse charm to your kitchen, and it can actually make your space feel larger and more open. If you're tired of feeling boxed in by your upper cabinets, consider removing a few and replacing them with open shelves. This is a great way to display your favorite dishes, glassware, and decorative items. Just be sure to keep your shelves organized and clutter-free. Try installing shelves above your backsplash or on either side of your window. When styling your open shelves, remember that less is more. Choose items that are both beautiful and functional. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 quick and affordable kitchen upgrades that can make a world of difference. Remember, you don't have to spend a fortune to create a kitchen you love. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these upgrades are you most excited to try in your own kitchen? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more home improvement tips and inspiration. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.